Hello friends, welcome again to Dr. Osman's EduTrends. Hope you're all doing well. Friends, the human body is a remarkable biological machine maintained by interdependent body systems and organized biochemical reactions. Evolution has worked on humans for hundreds of thousands of years. Yet the current pace of technology and social change have radically affected our lifestyle and have exposed possible human frailties. Today we will talk about notional value of a single human body. It was remarkable to know when I was going through an article titled The High Cost of Being Human, published by Harold J. Morowitz in the New York Times on February 11, 1976. A single human body has a notional value of 6 trillions. What is notional value? Notional value is a term often used to value the underlying asset. This article made me think that are we not so reluctant to be thankful to Almighty for what we have today and what we have been bestowed, though we do lots of things to survive and live. To keep us alive and living, the human body performs millions of complex functions throughout our lifetime. It has nearly 78 organs. Among these 78 organs, 5 organs are considered very important and vital for survival. These include the heart, brain, kidneys, liver and lungs. The human body has the storage capacity of 100 trillion bits of information over the course of 70 years, which equals to 50,000 sets of Encyclopedia Britannica, which when stacked would reach up to 442 miles higher. A fully formed human brain contains 100 billion neurons. 80% of brain is made up of water. 20% of oxygen that enters our bloodstream is used by brain. In just 60 seconds, the human body takes 15 breaths. Its heart beats 70 times. Its tear ducts moisten the eyes 25 times. Its brain conducts 6 million chemical reactions. Its bone marrow produces 180 million blood cells. Its skin sheds 10,000 particles of skin, and about 300 billions of its cells die and are replaced every day. The human body is composed of plenty of elements which resides in trillions of cells and non-cellular components of the body. Majority it consists of 65% of oxygen, 18% of carbon, 10% of hydrogen, 3% of nitrogen and other trace elements. The eye focusing muscles move around 1 lakh times per day. 90% of all the information is received by eyes. A nerve impulse to and from the brain can travel as fast as 170 miles per hour. A human nose can detect about 1 trillion smells. The lung contains over several millions of capillaries. A heart pumps enough blood in an average lifetime to fill the fuel tanks of 56 moon rockets. Each kidney contains 1 million individual filters. Around 80 lakhs new RBCs are produced by bone marrow every second. Several gallons of blood are pumped through 62,000 miles length of blood vessels in a day. If we keep on studying our body, we will surely be surprised to know that we are very much fortunately blessed by Almighty to be one of the best living creatures on this earth. Faith in destiny has a very deep impact upon our lives, and we all find our life oscillating between determinism and free will. As a human being, when we look around ourselves, within ourselves, we find that there are hundreds of things in shaping and reshaping our own body which we cannot do by ourselves. It's really a hard time to introspect. So friends, I hope this video is informative to you all. We will meet again soon with another informative video. Thank you.